Access to quality education is every student's dream. But searching and applying to the right institutions can be overwhelming and difficult, especially for students. Introducing Univacity, your gateway to a world of educational opportunities. Our simplified admission platform connects students with the best educational institutions, making it easier than ever to pursue your dreams and reach your full potential. Whether you're seeking admission to a top-tier university, searching for internships at prestigious firms, searching for affordable institutions, or looking to expand your skills through online courses, Univacity has got you covered. Our dedicated team provides support and guidance throughout the entire admission process, ensuring a hassle-free experience and increasing your chances of success. With our newly improved platform, you can easily search and apply to institutes and programs using our advanced search filters. Stay connected with your preferred schools through our messaging feature, making the admission process a breeze. Univacity offers a wide range of programs to choose from, aligning with your career goals. Simply select your program, complete the admission form, and track your progress on our website. We work closely with students and educational institutions, ensuring a seamless experience for all. We have partnered with over 20 universities and processed admissions for numerous students. Whether you're a student seeking admission or an institution looking to connect with talented students worldwide, visit our website at www.univacity.com or contact us at hi@univacity.com to begin your journey. Join us today, and together, let's build a better future through education.